Hey guys, what's up? Hold on, let me try to move this light. Okay, so how's everyone's day going? Ooh, I look tired. Probably because I am tired. College is no joke. But anyway, today I'm gonna show y'all my everyday makeup routine. If I'm gonna put makeup on my face, this is probably what I'm gonna do because it's quick, it's easy, it's super simple. So if you're a beginner, you can do this too. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I already did my brows. If you want to see how I do my brows, check out my last video. Did my little natural everyday brow. I also, where did it go? Put on my by Agave lip mask. This stuff is best in the game. I don't know why people don't talk about this product as much. Honestly, all their lip products are so good. I really like their I completely missed. I really like their lip mask, so this one, and I also like their lip balm. Makes your lips super duper soft. This is the color maple. It's like a sheer tint. I have the champagne one. I like this one better. So what I'm gonna start off by doing is getting my NYX HD concealer, and I'm in the shade CW07 Tan Bronze. I get some concealer and I just dab it or put it on wherever I have darkness and I need coverage. If I'm looking to the side, my mirror is right here, so bear with me. I'll let that dry a little bit. And then I'm gonna get my little sponge to put a little bit under my eye. So I'm gonna start dabbing the product into my skin. Okay, so if I have really bad, like my darkness isn't getting covered up, I'll just put another layer on and I'll let it dry and let it sit down a little bit because it makes it a little bit more full coverage, and then I'll go in and blend it out. But since I'm content with this, I'm gonna go in with my Mercier. This is the the deep medium one. I get a little bit of powder, tap off the excess, and I'm just gonna pat that into my skin. Next, since I'm feeling a little extra today, I'm gonna get the NYX concealer again, put a little bit on my eyelids, and prep my eyes for eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe palette, and I'm gonna grab that shade right there, and I'm gonna just buff that into my crease. Honestly, most days I don't really do this, but I'm feeling a little extra today, so. Then I'm gonna get a flat brush, grab this, this is so hard. I have like an eyeshadow that's broken. It's matte brown with a little bit of this one, and I'm just gonna place that on my lid. Next, I'm gonna put on mascara, curl my lashes. By the way, this is the Better Than Sex mascara. Now to have everything just melt into my face, I'm gonna get my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. And I'm gonna spray my face, dropping everything. And yeah, that's basically it. Super simple, super easy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And yeah.